Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome to the series of Tech Affairs, episode 1. I am back with today's top 5 tech news updates. So make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Without wasting a second, let's move to video. The first update is from YouTube. YouTube CEO is announced to launch his new app for short-form video sharing platform, Shorts, in the end of 2020. This app is similar to TikTok, but in Shorts app, users can use YouTube licensed music, songs, and this is the reason which make the users to switch to Shorts from TikTok. We all know, only in 2 years, TikTok grows like a fire in the forest all across the world. It becomes the number one on free app and crossed the 1 billion users. That is the reason which makes the YouTube creators switch to TikTok, but now YouTube planned big to bring back their users. Next update is from WhatsApp, that WhatsApp has now tightened their boundaries for users, which is so necessary at this time because lots of fake news rumors is spreading everywhere. That's why WhatsApp is going to launch some new features regarding these issues in the next update. 1. Users verify the posts. Here, users can verify the received post on WhatsApp, that is these posts are fake or true. Users can also verify the dates of the posts. Self-disappearing messages. In these features, users can set a time limit on their messages. After the time period, message will be deleted automatically from the WhatsApp. You can set these features group as well as individual chats. But you can turn off this deleted message toggle if you don't need to delete the message anymore. Third, multi-device support. Now, we can use same WhatsApp account on different devices, on the phone as well as on another device. This is a very useful feature for those who are using multiple devices. This feature is launched on beta version and soon it will be launching for all. The next update is from PUBG. PUBG is launching a new mode Cold Front Survival on April 16. It could be a new map with snowy version of classic map on Erangel. This is cleared from official PUBG mobile Twitter account with his tweets. In this map, extremely cold season is going to damage the players if they don't heat up their bodies by eating chickens in the game. You have to collect wooden logs and set a fire to roast the killed chicken meat to heat up your bodies, which is quite funny. So try and experience the real fun in PUBG. Next update is regarding 84 GB data plans. We all know during lockdown, many people's working professionals are working from their homes in the pandemic situation. That's why some of the data providers providing 84 GB data plans for the users at the best prices. Airtel launched 3 GB for 28 days with 100 SMS per day and unlimited calling at just Rs 398. Vodafone also launched 3 GB data plans for 28 days with 100 SMS per day and unlimited calling only at 398. But Jio launched same 3 GB data for 28 days with 100 SMS per day and unlimited calls only at Rs 349, which makes Jio offer cheaper from others. At last, our fifth topic is about an Android app called Aarogya Setu. In the fight against coronavirus, India had discovered an app to detect COVID-19 suspects. This is a real-time tracking app in which you can detect a coronavirus suspect if you come in contact by using your GPS and Bluetooth sensors. If a person is a coronavirus suspect and come under 6 meter radius, your app will give alert automatically. You can also check your infection chances on this app after filling your details. You can download this app from the link provided in the description and help the government to fight against COVID-19. Later I will going to talk about is the app privacy is secured for you or not.